Hi everyone, it's Andre with Be Our Beauty Girl, and today I want to talk to you about creating Mary Kay facial in a bags for your friends and potential customers. So what is a facial in a bag? Well, a facial in a bag is a bag of sample products that you put together for someone so they can experience our products in the privacy of their own home. I use facial in a bags quite a bit. I do invite people to my beauty nights at our unit's Pink Studio, and I sometimes do try to schedule facials. However, I do work full-time in real estate, and Mary Kay is my part-time job. So I have found a lot of success with these bags, and 9 times out of 10 people do order. So who do I give them to? I don't give facial in a bags to just anybody that I meet. I put these together for friends or potential customers that I have invited to a beauty night that weren't able to attend. So basically, I've already introduced them to the information that I sell Mary Kay and that I love the products and would love to see them try them. So what do I put in my bags? Okay, so let's get started with that. So here's a sample of what I put in my facial in a bags. And I go to a lot of effort for these bags because I do think it's important, the Mary Kay principle, which is making every woman feel important. So I've handpicked every one of these products. And you may say, well, how do you know what color of product to put in if you're putting in glamour? Most of these women, I know them or I know of them and I look them up on social media. No, I'm not stalking them, but I am trying to see if they have a profile pic or something on social media so I can get a general idea of her coloring and her preferred makeup look so that this facial in a bag is really tailored for her. Okay, so in every bag I put a skincare sample set, and the set that I put depends on the age of the woman that I'm making the bag for. This particular lady I'm making it for is a friend of mine. She is in her early 60s, so I'm going to include the Voluform Repair skincare line, and I typically include this for any woman who's in her late 40s and older. For women that are in their late 40s, maybe mid 40s and younger, I'll use the Time-Wise 3D sample skincare set. I also include a skincare treatment. Now for this particular bag, I'm going to include a facial peel because I think this is a great product to put in conjunction to our Time-Wise Repair Voluform line. For women that are younger, I'll usually do a microdermabrasion. Now the great thing is Mary Kay is providing us with samples of the charcoal mask and of the moisture renewing gel mask, so we'll have even more choices. But for this one, I'm going to be doing the facial peel. You'll also notice that I have a sample of our Time-Wise 3D foundation line. And again, I am guessing at her color just based on what I know about her or maybe a profile picture I pulled up on social media. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to talk to her about this foundation in the note that I have made for her. But I do want to include this. I also always include a sample of our Ultimate Mascara. Now here I include a sample of a blush and 3 complementary eyeshadows. And the reason I tape them to a pink card like this is these things tend to get lost in the bag. And it's also sometimes hard for people to know what is an eyeshadow and what is a blush, especially when you're working with pinks. So I actually just tape them to the card up here at the top and designate blush or eyeshadow. Now I think it was Kim McClure who did a video last year that said that you could peel and stick the back of these. I have not been able to do that, so I guess I'm just maybe challenged in that. If you can get it to work, that's even better. You don't have to use tape, but I do include a blush and 3 complementary eyeshadows, a highlight color, an all-over color, and a crease color. And then I include 2 lipstick samples. I usually go with the True Dimensions, either a semi-matte or a semi-shine gel, or maybe just the True Dimensions sheer lipstick. And I also include a lip gloss. So I try to make sure that these colors are complementary to help her create a look. I want her to feel special when she opens this bag. I want her to know that I put a lot of effort into this for her. So besides the products, I put some literature in there for her that I think she will enjoy. Now in every one of them, if I have not provided a lookbook to her yet, I include a lookbook. I also include some information about our foundations. I just downloaded this graphic from Google, and this is our new Time-Wise 3D foundation that's featured on this product card because she may not like liquid foundation. So I want to show her on this card all the different types of foundations that we carry. I also put in there product information booklets for the skincare set and the skin treatments that I include. I found these wonderful graphics on peonygardengraphics.com. That's Erin that runs that website. She does a fabulous job, and she has a lot of free designs just like these in her Go Give designs. She also has some great paid items that you can purchase to really take your business to the next level. So these are under the skincare set sheets that you can find, and basically what they are is when you print it out, you're going to fold it to create a 4-page little booklet. And what I really love is that she put on the back are complimentary products that the person can learn about that goes with the skincare set and skin treatments that I've included. I also include a postcard that I created on Canva. This is an invitation for them to like my Facebook page. And you'll see here, I just took the thumbs up from Facebook. I told them that if they join my Facebook page, they're going to get information on product news, makeup tutorials, skincare solutions, and daily inspiration. And here I have like me on Facebook and the address. If you have a group, you can invite them to join your group, but you really want to take advantage of your social media and let her know that she can follow you there. I also include a business card, and I include a personal note. And this is what's really important to make this facial in a bag special for the recipient. I put her name on the outside, and on the inside you'll see here, I've basically thanked her for trying my products. I let her know of any specials that I'm running, and I let her know which products I included and why. And for the foundation, I always let her know that I chose a foundation I thought was close, but that we have 28 shades of the Time Wise 3D matte foundation to choose from, so that she knows that's not all that they have. So when I get ready to put this together, I'm going to put them in a cellophane bag that I purchased from Michael's Craft Shop. You'll see here they fold in, so that actually these fold out, and there's a lot of space in these bags. So I start with my lookbook, and then I put my Time Wise set. And here there's the Voluform set. If you put the Time Wise 3D, that's able to be folded up, and it doesn't take up so much space. I will next put my skincare treatment, my foundation sample, my card with my eyeshadows and blush, my lipstick samples, and my mascara sample. And now I'm going to do the literature. Here's the literature on the foundation, my product pamphlets for my skincare treatment and the skincare set, inviting her to like my social media, my business card, and her personal note. I end with this so her name can be seen through the bag. Now for the bags I'm using, you see the Voluform sticks out a little bit. That's okay. You know, these don't have to be perfect. If I was doing the Time Wise 3D sample sets, those can be folded up, but the lookbook takes up space too. You may be able to find some bags that are a little bigger than the ones I'm using. I went with something that I felt was economical, but I do add a little bit of special touch to it. So if you take a look here, I'm going to just add, I have some pink ribbon here with polka dots. It's really just to make it feel special for her. And I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to tie around this here so that the products don't fall out. And then I also create a special gift tag card for her. And it just says facial in a bag for Cindy. And I'm going to tie that onto the ribbon so that it's even more personalized. So there you go. You have a facial in a bag for your friend or potential customer. I can promise you women love getting these. It makes them feel so special. You've really put effort into it. So once I drop it off to her, I'll usually touch base in 3 or 4 days, ask her how she's liked the products. Keep in mind to always write down on a pad somewhere what you put in her facial in a bag, because when you call her, you want to be able to ask her, how did you like that hint of pink blush that I put in your bag? It makes her feel special, and it lets her know that you really went to the effort to create a custom bag for her. If she hasn't had a chance to try it in 3 or 4 days, that's okay. You know, don't hound her. People get busy. I'll tell her, hey, look, I'll touch base with you again in 3 or 4 days and see how it's going for you. And then I'll ask her if she maybe wants to place an order at that time. Now, one trick that I learned from my director, which is really great, 9 times out of 10, like I said, women do place an order when I give them these facial in a bags, but they don't always order the skincare set. And this is where Mary Kay's genius really comes into play. Usually the skincare sets sell much better when you're doing a one-on-one facial or a beauty experience with someone and their girlfriends, because they're more likely to try all of those products in the proper order. So if she doesn't place an order for the skincare set after you've included it in the facial in a bag, if she does place an order, be sure to include in the bag when you fill her order a $25 gift card or whatever gift card amount you want, and let her know that that's good towards an order that she places during a one-on-one skincare or beauty session, or towards the purchase of a skincare set, because you really want to get her to try our skincare products because they are really amazing. So anyway, I hope you have found this helpful. These facial in a bags are a great way to use samples to generate business. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. If you like this video, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I've also got in the comments down below how you can join my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.